Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Vocal Image or AI Voice Coach. And as you can see right here, we have it on Google Play. So basically, it helps you with your singing voice or your guitars or your tune. And then the AI will tell you on what to improve on how you improve. So if you're wondering if this app is any good, we have it here on Reddit. So this person said, long story short, drummer guitarist lately have been really into singing, but I suck. This app is speaking to me and singing like a coach. It has good reviews, but if you read through, most people are reviewed without really using it. So I'm curious if anyone here has used this app or one similar to train singing over, say, 2 to 3 months. So this person right here said it is a scam. I am locked into paying even after canceling. It's an endless loop. I've begged them to stop billing me every week. I've tried blocking them from payment. Stay away. This app is a total scam. I canceled before trial expired, but they proceed anyways. Useless app. Advertise for a few days, then cancel. No penalty for being charged $70 for a full year, and a lot more. Yep, same. How do I stop this app? I can't even log in to cancel it. If you read anyone's comments, basically it's nothing you can get from YouTube or elsewhere. Risk wasting your dollars, eventually realizing and wasting your time. And basically, a lot of people are saying that this app is a scam since they bill you and you can't even cancel the payment. So please do not invest in this app. A lot of people are saying that it is really bad. And yeah, that is basically it. So do not use this app. It's just a waste of money. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.